What's up guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all of the available attachments as of today for the Z700 series John Deere zero-turn mowers. The first one will be the jack kit. Now this is a mountable bracket that goes on the front of the machine that has a holder pin and also a jack here that we can simply put on the front of our machine just like so. Pin it into place, and then we can use this jack to raise up the front of our mower. Now this is going to be a great attachment for whenever you're needing to change blades or do any type of service underneath the mower deck or just underneath the mower itself. Very easy to raise that up. And then once you're done, you have a couple of different options. For one, you can just remove this jack and get it out of the way and then put our pin back in place, or if we need to put this on for storage, we can mount it here to the front of the mower. And then we have that jack always readily available. Now, number 2 and number 3 are attachments that do come standard on some Z700 models, and that is going to be the footrest kit, which I do have attached to this mower, and also the floor mat kit, which I do not have installed here. But to install this, if we wanted to have this on, it is as simple as laying it out, making sure it matches up with the holes that are drilled into the mat and also into the frame of our foot platform here. And then it has some simple push clips that push down in. I'll have a video on the installation of this that you'll be able to find on our other channel, 24/7 Parts, so be sure to be looking for that. But this floor mat kit is going to reduce vibration and also make for a non-slip grip here on the foot platform. And then our foot rest kit right here are going to just be anti-fatigue features to be able to give you a little more place to put your feet. And then also this is going to act as a handle for whenever we are raising up and out on our foot platform. Now, number 4 is one of my favorites because I like to make sure whenever I'm mowing that I'm getting my weed eating done at the same time, or my trimming as some may call it. So what we have here is a string trimmer mount. Now this is going to consist of a bracket here at the rear of the machine on the right hand side by your control panel, and then also a bracket that comes off of your right hand caster wheel. And with these two brackets, they are adjustable up and down and in and out to make sure and fit your string trimmer. But for example, here we have a steel battery powered string trimmer that we are simply going to turn, lock into place, lock that into place there. And then just like that, with that string trimmer mount, we have our trimmer with us at all times. Now, number 5 and number 6 are both going to be back here at the rear of the machine. Number 5 is going to be our yard tool kit bracket. This is going to consist of 2 brackets here with a couple of rubber isolators that will allow you to keep your shovel or rake or whatever those things are that you may be doing around the yard nice, secure, and in place here right on the machine. This can fit actually on the left hand side or the right hand side. And then also for number 6, we are going to have a tow hitch. Now this Z735M does come with this tow hitch standard, but on some models you may have to add this on. So very nice part here. It's going to give you a towing capacity of 400 pounds, then also a tongue capacity of 100 pounds. So we can set 100 pounds on here or pull 400 with this machine. Number 7 and number 8 are going to be rear mounted storage options. So for one, what I have mounted here now is the Toolbox kit. This simply mounts to our ROPS. It does provide a toolbox here mounted sturdily back here on the back to where you can keep your tools and things, be able to keep those locked up if needed. And then we also have the option of the storage tray kit. So as you can see, a lot more space here for those larger items. This is also going to mount to the back of our ROPS here, but you cannot have the storage tray option and the toolbox option installed at the same time, but you do have both of these as a rear mounted storage option. Number 9 is a very neat attachment to me, one that often gets overlooked or not even thought about, which is going to be the trash receptacle kit. Now this is going to come with a 5-gallon bucket like we see here that is easily removable. It will come with the one main bracket here that mounts on the front fork of the machine, and then it's also going to come with this very nifty trash picker upper, or a claw tool here that you can reach off the side of your mower to be able to pick up those items and then simply put them in your trash receptacle or your 5-gallon bucket here. Now this is going to come with a clamp in feature like you saw here right on the bracket to clamp that tool into place. There's also a hole right here, so if you'd like to put a bungee cord or something around this just to keep it from bouncing. You're also going to have holes here on the actual bucket holder, so that once we have that down and in place, we could clamp that in. We could either go over the top of the bucket or we could go over our handle just to make sure that this is not going to come out. Number 10 is a very versatile attachment. It's going to be the rear bumper. Now, nice thing about this is it provides plenty of protection here to your rear grille around the engine. It's also going to give you a place for that rear hitch, as you'll have to take it off of the mower, put it onto your rear bumper. But it's also going to provide you slots here to be able to mount rear attachments such as your bagger kit. Number 11 is going to be the front LED light kit. Now this is an awesome kit for if you're one of those mowers, one of those people that are going to be mowing late in the evening, early in the mornings, and you need just a little bit of extra light to be able to see where those cutting paths are. The front light kit is a very nice and easy to install option, and you run it right off of a switch right here at the control panel. Number 12 is going to be this little guy right up here, and this is going to be an LED beacon light. So this is going to be great for those commercial cutters or anybody that has property that they are wanting to make sure and be seen by traffic or by other people. This is going to be a very bright LED beacon light that will send out those pulses of light while you're mowing. Number 13 is going to be our mulch on demand kit. That is going to be the lever here on top of the deck, along with the baffle system here underneath the mower that we can quickly change from mulching to side discharging simply with the flip of this lever. And last but certainly not least is the nice hardtop canopy here. Now this is a very solid, nice, far hanging out canopy that's going to provide you plenty of protection, whether you have that little bit of drizzle, definitely from that hot sun during the days. And another great thing about this canopy, talking about that hot sun, is it does come with a built-in fan right here that is adjustable forward and backward to be able to make sure that air is hitting you exactly where you want it. And it has a switch right here on the unit itself that you can turn on and off, and it's live as soon as you start the key. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this helped you out. If you're interested in any of the attachments that you see, make sure to go down in the description tab below where I will have each one of those labeled out with the part number 1 through 14. Now keep in mind there are some other attachments that just are not currently available right now from John Deere, one being the bagger kit for these Z700s, but we're hoping that's resolved soon. Guys, like I said, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.